next step up in becoming kind of a power user here is frames. So when you're working with a design, if you want to put, let's say we're going to select these frames, there are a lot of different ones you could choose from. So maybe a phone, for example, I can just click and drag this over. We'll drop it right there. And you'll see, like, I don't really want that little cloud and like whatever in the background. That's actually just a placeholder. You don't need to worry about that at all. So if you click on this and then we go back over to elements, we can drag any, so let's go back to frames. We can drag over any photo we want. So I'll show you how to upload photos in a second, but let's say one of these photos that you really like, I'm going to search for one that is honeybee. I don't know, just say honeybee, see what we have. All right, so we've got like a honeybee on some flowers. We can choose the orientation. I want vertical because that's a vertical phone there. And maybe this is good. So all you do is click and drag this photo over and just hover over that little placeholder photo. And now you have this on top of a phone. So that's one of the many ways you can use frames. It's a very powerful tool. And it's really cool that Canva does offer that. Now, because I don't really need this in the design, I'm going to click delete, little trash can button, and you can either delete the image or the frame, which is nice, but I'm just going to delete the frame. I don't actually need that frame